Located about 30 miles from the bustling Dallas metropolis, in the town of Greenville, sits the Hunt County Courthouse. The almost 100-year-old building is, in fact, the sixth building to be constructed on the current site. Hunt County was established by the first Texas legislature in 1846, with the town of Greenville being created the following year, following the typical plan of designating a central block for the public square. The first courthouse was a 20 by 22-foot log cabin built on the west side of the square. A second, larger log cabin was built in 1851. 1859 saw the third building was constructed of brick, built in the center of the square. A storm made this building unusable in 1870. A few years later, a new building was commissioned. Construction began in 1883 for a new red brick and ornate courthouse with stone trim, marking the fifth courthouse built on the public square. Tragedy struck only 13 months later when a fire destroyed the courthouse and many surrounding businesses. With the construction of the new courthouse, the county commissioners also purchased fire insurance and fireproof vaults for all the county records, which all survived the fire. The Methodist Church bought the building and tore it down to build the Wesley Methodist Church. Once the lot was cleared, construction began on the new courthouse in 1883. The new courthouse, completed in 1885, was built with very little expense to the taxpayers and resembles what will be the final iteration of the courthouse we see today. Plans for a new, larger courthouse with a jail began in 1923 to provide the county services and last at least the next 50 years. A bond of $400,000 was passed 1927. The Austin firm of C.H. Page and Brother designed the courthouse along with Greenville architect William R. Ragsdale. Ben W. Shepard and Sons, prominent builders from Greenville, served as general contractors for the construction of the building. On April 11, 1929, the date of the 83rd anniversary of Hunt County, dedication ceremonies took place for the sixth and latest Hunt County Courthouse. This courthouse was meant to be viewed from all sides as a landmark of the county government's central role in the community. As a place for gatherings, speeches, and celebrations, the Ionic colonnades echoes the late classical revival, while hinting at Art Deco design decisions that will be popular the next decade. This building showcases a community's resilience to challenges, the visual story of the town's and county's history, and the warmth of a building's character.